the story of how I made my first 1 million naira online. This is a true life story. Don't click away. This is not playing about or beating about the bush. It's a straightforward true life story of how I did it. So I'm not asking you to pay any money to learn how to do it or anything. But in this story, you are going to see everything and you're going to be able to go ahead and repeat the same process. So if you are ready to also copy my method and make your first 1 million naira online, then pay attention to the story and keep watching. Let's get started now. Let's go. Another rejection. Another thank you for sending your application. Another will get back to you. What is happening? Over 6 months, I've been sending applications out and I've not been getting all the applications. They've been returning without any good feedback, always saying they'll get back to me. Let me check my account balance. 12,000 naira. And my rent is almost due. Apart from my rent, I have family members are calling onto me to send some money to them. They say I have a good degree. How can I tell them that I'm only unable to even take care of myself? This is very, very frustrating. I just need to find a way out. And maybe I think I'll just check online to see different things that I can find online. People have been talking about different things. People have been speaking about different ways to make money online. Let me search for legitimate ways to make money online. Legitimate ways to make money online. So here I can see freelancing, micro tasks, and many more. And then content creation and digital products. I think I need to give this content creation a try because I think I know how to explain things and how to put things together. I'll give the content creation a try. Tunde, thank you for reaching out. Before we say anything, before we start, I need to be honest with you. Making money online is not easy. It is not fast and it is not a guarantee. So, it's not a guarantee. So if you are looking for ways to make money quickly by magic, then I'm not the right person you should come and see. So you may be talking to the wrong person. I don't do that. I don't teach that. And I don't believe in making get-rich-quick schemes. But if you are willing to work hard, to learn, to be consistent for 6 months, to 1 year, to maybe 2 years, then yes, you can make good money online. Let me show you on my laptop here. You can see, Tunde, come and see. You can see here. Let me show you something. Here are some of my students. This is my student Ahmed. He started 18 months ago. Today, he makes 400,000 naira per month doing freelance writing. Then this is another student, Chioma. Another student that I trained, Chioma. He started 2 years ago. Today, she makes 600,000 naira per month doing digital marketing. So, Tunde, here is the thing. They didn't make money in 1 month, in month 1. They didn't make money in month 2. Ahmed didn't make his first 100,000 until month 8. That was when Ahmed made his first 100,000. Chioma didn't make her first 100,000 until month 10. So it is not rocket science that we're talking about here. Online business is science that we're talking about here. Online business is like a marathon. So you know a marathon is different from a sprint. In a sprint, you start and then you dash, pa, you get to the end. But in a marathon, you run and run and run, and eventually you get to the end. So if you're ready ready for that, I can help you. If you are looking for quick money, then go and find a job. So Tunde, what do you say? Mr. Bello, I'm ready. Thank you very much for your advice and admonition. I must say that I'm ready. I'm not looking for get rich quick, and I'm not looking for magic. I'm looking for a skill that I can do and I can learn from and that can make me to earn. So that is what I'm looking for. And I'm used to teaching while I was in the university, teaching other students in my class. So I believe that content creation will not be a difficult thing for me to do. To explain ideas to people is going to come easy to me. Yes, I think I will go in for the YouTube. I'm going to start creating content on YouTube. And I know it's not going to be easy. I know it's going to take hard work, it's going to take consistency, it's going to take diligence, and it's not going to be very fast in producing income. But I'm ready to weather the storm and put in the work that it deserves and wait for the expected result. So I am ready, Mr. Bello. So when do we start? In month 1 of those 6 months, I created my YouTube channel. I uploaded my first video. It got 12 views. 12 views in 30 days. In month 2, I uploaded 12 videos. Total views 87. Total subscribers 3. In month 3, I started promoting my videos on Facebook. People commented, "This guy is wasting his time. YouTube doesn't work in Nigeria. Just go and find a job." In month 4, I almost quit. I had uploaded 40 videos. Total views 400. Total subscribers 18. I was spending 4 hours every night for 400 views. Month 5, I changed my strategy. Instead of just teaching, I started telling stories, real stories, my stories, stories of people I knew. I lost 50,000 naira to a fake investment, got 5,000 views in 1 week. 5,000 views, more than all my previous videos combined. That was the moment I knew this could work. The first 6 months were brutal. It was full of hard work. Hello, is this Tunde? Okay, good. I watched your video on how to avoid investment scams, and I must say it was well detailed and I understood it clearly. It was different from what other people were showing and were depicting. Thank you. Now, I hear that you do consultancy. Okay, that's good. Now, I want to learn how to make money online, and I want to know how much it will cost me for you to train me. 50,000 naira for 30 days. Well, that is not a lot of money. I have paid even 150,000, 200,000 for some other people before. And the training they gave me, it was just bullshit. And I hope that I can get real value for my money from the training you will give to me. Okay, there's a money back guarantee. After 30 days, if I'm not satisfied, wow, that is good. You sound different. You sound different. I've done training on some other things, but I was unable to really make any money out of it. But the way you sound authentic. And with the money back guarantee, I think I have nothing to fear. All right, please send your account details. I will make the transfer of 3,000 naira to you now. Then you tell me when we can start. Thank you. Thank you for all you do. I appreciate you. Thank you. That was my first client, Mr. Johnson. 3 months later, he called me and he was on the phone and said, Tunde, I want to tell you that I followed your procedure for this online business and I've made 150,000 naira. And he was very, very happy. That testimonial from Mr. Johnson about what I was teaching made all my efforts and sacrifices worth the while. It made me to be overjoyed. And I knew my efforts were not in vain. So, if you want to make money online, here are the 5 principles that took me from 0 to 1 million. Number 1, principle number 1, choose a legitimate skill, not a scheme, not a loophole, a real skill, something people actually need. For me, it was content creation and consulting. For others, it could be freelance writing, graphic design, web development, digital marketing, video editing, virtual assistance. Number 2, principle number 2, learn the skill deeply. Don't just learn the basics, learn it deeply. Spend 3 months, 6 months, 1 year mastering the skill. I spent 6 months learning YouTube, 6 months of watching tutorials, 6 months of practicing, 6 months of failing. Principle number 3, provide value first. Don't think about money first. Think about value. How can you help people? How can you solve their problems? I gave away 90% of my knowledge for free on YouTube. Only 10% was for paid clients. But that 90% free content, it built trust, it built authority, it built an audience. Principle number 4, or step 4, be consistent. This is the hardest part that most people quit after month 1, month 2, month 3. I uploaded 3 to 4 videos every week for 3 years, even when I had 12 views, even when I had 87 views, even when people told me to quit. Consistency is the difference between success and failure. Principle number 5, be patient. You will not make 1 million in month 1. You will not make 1 million in month 6. You might not even make 1 million in year 1. And that is okay. Focus on building the skill. Focus on providing value. Focus on being consistent. The money will come. Yes, that is it. Now, I want to hear from you. What skill are you interested in learning? What online business do you want to start? Drop it in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please do me 3 favors. Number 1, like this video. It helps YouTube to show it to more people. Number 2, subscribe to this channel. Every week, I share real stories and practical lessons on how to make money legitimately. Number 3, share this video with someone who needs to hear this. Maybe they are about to join a scam. Maybe they are about to quit. Save them. My name is Tunde, and I'll see you in the next video. Until patient and never stop learning.